You've been using iMessage every single day, but I guarantee you're missing some of its best features. Here are 7 things you didn't know iMessage could do. Before we dive in, make sure you're running iOS 26 or later, because some of these features are exclusive to the latest version. And if you find this useful, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a new video. When you type a message, instead of just hitting send, press and hold the send button. You'll see 2 options, bubble and screen effects. Bubble lets you send your message with a loud, gentle, slam, or invisible ink effect. Screen fills the entire display with confetti, fireworks, lasers, and more. Perfect for birthdays, celebrations, or just having fun.
You don't always need to reply with a full message. Double tap or press and hold any message bubble, and you'll see 6 reactions. Tap one, and it appears right on the message. Quick, clean, no clutter. And if you are running iOS 26, you can choose to reply with any emoji.
Send something by mistake? Press and hold your message and tap Undo Send. It disappears from both sides of the conversation. Or tap Edit to fix a typo without deleting the whole message. No more awkward corrections. When someone sends you a voice message, you don't even need to press play anymore. iMessage automatically transcribes it into text right below the audio bubble, so you can read exactly what they said without listening. Super useful when you're in a meeting, a noisy place, or just don't have your headphones in. This one is a game changer. Type your message, then tap the plus icon and select Send Later. Pick the date and time you want it delivered. Perfect for birthday messages, reminders, or texting someone in a different time zone without waking them up. If someone messages you in another language, you don't need to copy and paste it into Google Translate anymore. Your iPhone will automatically suggest to translate it. If it doesn't, just press and hold the message and tap Translate. iMessage translates it right there, in line. You can even reply in your language, and it will translate your response automatically. Did you know you can set a custom wallpaper for each individual conversation in iMessage? Tap the contact name at the top. Make sure you are on the Background tab. You'll find the option to set a unique background just for that chat. There are several built-in wallpapers, or you can use Apple Intelligence to create your own. A nice personal touch added in iOS 26. 7 features, 1 app you use every day. If this was useful, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and check the link in the description to follow me everywhere.